In this video, we will see 15 easy minimalist habits for beginners. 1. Resist impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly derail even the most well-planned budgets. Implementing the 24-hour rule can be a game changer in curbing these spontaneous buys. When tempted by something non-essential, delay the purchase by at least a day. This simple pause allows the initial excitement to settle and gives you time to evaluate if the item genuinely fulfills a need or if it's just a fleeting desire. 2. Create multi-purpose spaces. Maximizing your living space is crucial, especially in smaller homes or apartments. By investing in multi-purpose furniture, you can significantly enhance your space's functionality. Consider options like ottomans with hidden storage for extra blankets or board games, or foldable beds that can be tucked away when not in use. Room dividers, such as bookshelves or curtains, can also help create distinct areas within a single room, making your living environment more organized and versatile. 3. Embrace multifunctional clothing. Building a wardrobe that serves multiple purposes can simplify your life and keep your closet organized. Focus on acquiring versatile clothing items in neutral colors, such as black, navy, or gray, which can be easily mixed and matched for various occasions. Classic cuts and timeless silhouettes, like tailored trousers or shift dresses, are excellent investments as they never go out of style and can be dressed up or down as needed. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. 4. Declutter digital space. A cluttered digital environment can be just as overwhelming as a physical one. Regularly cleaning up your digital files, emails, and apps can improve efficiency and reduce mental clutter. Start by unsubscribing from unnecessary email lists and notifications that no longer bring you value. Additionally, organizing your digital files into clearly labeled folders can streamline access and prevent information overload. Consider setting aside a few minutes each week to maintain this organization. 5. Simplify your morning routine. Mornings set the tone for the rest of the day, so streamlining your routine can make a significant impact. Start by preparing the night before. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, and prepare breakfast ingredients. This reduces decision-making in the morning and helps you start your day with a clear mind. Batch similar tasks to save time, such as making coffee while packing your lunch. Consistent sleep and wake times are also essential. They regulate your body clock and make mornings smoother. 6. The 10-minute daily declutter. Overwhelmed by clutter? Break the task into manageable chunks with the 10-minute daily declutter method. Set a timer for just 10 minutes and focus on a specific area, like a dryer or shelf. Use this time to put things away, throw away trash, or sort items for donation. By dedicating just a few minutes each day, you can maintain a clean and organized space consistently. This approach also helps build momentum, making it easier to tackle larger decluttering projects over time, leading to a more organized and serene home environment. 7. Single tasking power. In today's fast-paced world, multitasking might seem like an efficient way to get more done, but it often leads to decreased productivity and increased stress. Instead, embrace single tasking by focusing on one task at a time. Start by dedicating a specific amount of time to one task, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. You'll likely find that your work quality improves and stress levels decrease. 8. The one-in, one-out rule. Managing clutter can be a challenge, but the one-in, one-out rule offers a straightforward solution. For every new item you bring into your home, commit to donating or discarding one similar item. Before acquiring a new item, consider if it truly adds value or sparks joy. This practice not only helps keep clutter in check, but also fosters a more intentional approach to consumption. Over time, this habit will help you maintain a balanced and organized living space, surrounded only by items that are meaningful and useful. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. 9. Master the one-touch rule. Paper clutter can quickly pile up if not managed effectively. The one-touch rule is a minimalist strategy that involves dealing with paper documents immediately upon handling them. Sort mail, file documents, or recycle unwanted papers as soon as you encounter them. Designate specific bins for recycling and trash to make sorting easier. Additionally, consider opting for digital alternatives for bills and statements when possible. Implementing the one-touch rule can significantly reduce paper clutter, saving time and creating a more organized and efficient space in both your home and office. 10. Borrow before you buy. Before making a purchase, consider whether borrowing might be a better option. Borrowing items you only need occasionally, such as tools or formal wear, can save you money and free up valuable storage space. Check with friends, family, or rental services for items you need temporarily. This minimalist approach not only reduces clutter, but also allows you to access a wider variety of items without the burden of ownership. 11. Embrace free entertainment. Enjoying life doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Embrace free or low-cost entertainment options, such as hiking, visiting local museums on free admission days, or participating in community events. These activities provide enjoyable experiences without straining your budget. Explore your local area's event calendar or library website for free or low-cost activities. By discovering and engaging in these simple pleasures, you save money and reduce reliance on material possessions. 12. Unsubscribe from unwanted noise. Digital clutter can be just as distracting as physical clutter. Reduce distractions by unsubscribing from unnecessary emails and notifications. This simple step helps declutter your digital space and reduces the constant bombardment of information. Start by unsubscribing from a few promotional emails or quieting notifications from apps you rarely use. This can lead to a more focused and productive digital environment, allowing you to manage your time and attention more effectively. 13. Practice digital decluttering. Maintaining an organized digital environment is just as crucial as keeping your physical space clutter-free. Regularly cleaning up your files, apps, and emails can reduce distractions and improve productivity. Set aside time each month to delete unnecessary files, uninstall unused apps, and organize important documents into clearly labeled folders. Additionally, consider using cloud storage solutions to keep your files accessible and secure without taking up valuable space on your devices. 14. Set up a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a minimalist approach to fashion that involves curating a small, versatile collection of high-quality clothing pieces. By focusing on items that mix and match well together, you simplify your wardrobe and reduce clutter. Aim for classic cuts and neutral colors that suit your style and can be easily combined for various occasions. 15. Use multifunction tools. Investing in multifunction tools can significantly reduce clutter and save space in your home. Look for gadgets and tools that serve multiple purposes, such as a blender that also functions as a food processor or a sofa bed that doubles as a guest bed. These versatile items help you maximize your living space and keep your home organized. Start by evaluating your current tools and appliances to identify which ones could be replaced with more multifunctional alternatives. There you have it, 15 easy minimalist habits for beginners. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.